Hey guys, check this out. I had a question about the DY-HV20T MP3 player board, and I ended up connecting it to Arduino Nano. The question was, how do I play my 8 tracks on this MP3 player board using one button? I want to play one track per button press in sequence. And the answer is you need a microcontroller. And that's why we have the Arduino Nano here. And then we switch the dip switch to UART serial port mode, which means switch 1 and 2 are down and 3 is up, if you can see that. Over here I have a 32 gigabyte SD card, FAT32 format. The naming scheme for the tracks on here are going to be 5numbers.mp3. For instance, the first track would be 00001.mp3, second track would be 00002.mp3, and so on. And here we have a screw terminal for a small 10 or 20 watt speaker. And if you're using that, the volume control for that is right here. This actually does have a pretty good onboard amplifier, so you can get some decent sound out of that. But I like to use the 3.5mm audio output with an amplified speaker of my own for better sound. So over here, I'm using a 9-volt battery. Now, the diagram says you can use 6 volt to 35 volt, which is pretty crazy to use 35 volt here, but that's what it says. Now there's a header here, and the first header is TX, and then the second one is RX, and we're going to connect the TX of the MP3 player board to the RX of the Arduino on pin 10, the RX to the TX of the Arduino on pin 11. And over here on pin 2, we have one button. And then we have a common ground between the two boards. If you're uploading your code, the tricky part in the code may be that when you call the track, you're doing it in binary. You have to call it in binary. That's standard low-level serial communication. If you find this helpful, or if you think it'll be helpful, you'll find it in the description if anybody needs it. We'll go ahead and connect the battery, and with each button press, we'll play a different track in sequence. And you can actually skip to the next track by pressing the button, even if it's in the middle of the song. So let's go ahead and give it a shot here. I'm going to reset this. Alright, green light is on. That's on. It's track 1. Track 2. And it will play all the way to the end and then wait for you to press the button again. Track 3. Track 4. That's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful.